Hello, welcome to all of you. This second one unit, bee flora. As per we have to previously discuss on, there are the beekeeping equipments. So today's lecture we have to discuss on the bee flora. The bee flora, we should know that honeybees collect the nectar and the pollen from the variety of plants which are known as the bee flora, and there is the bee forage or the bee pasture. Nectar and pollen plants. The plants that yields both the pollen and nectar are called the bee pasturage. Nectar is a source of a honey and meeting the carbohydrate requirements of a honeybees, whereas the pollen is a source of a protein. So the bee pasture can be designated as a build-up, honey flow, and a third period flora depending on the period of availability with the respect to the development of a bees colony. So earlier we should know that there are the when at the in the hive there is the worker bees. Those are the perform the duties of outdoor duties. They collect the pollen. There is the nectar, water. So it is helpful to prepare food for there are the larval stages. Those are the found in a brood chamber, and also there are the hive. So the worker bees, it provide the food material to there are the larval stages. They are in the two forms. One is the bee bread and second one is the royal jelly. So we should know that the bee bread, it is a mixture of pollen and nectar. So it is helpful to the growth of a, there is the worker bees and also there are the drones, and the royal jelly, it is helpful to prepare or to the larva stages which is becomes into there are the queen or develop into the queen. The flora of an area, it is a characteristic of its agroclimatic conditions and as such varies from place to place. This flora is also called as a food base for the large number of pollinators. We should know that there are actually when we have to keep the sides of there are the hive we have to place, and that time we have to know that there is the flora which is the found in there are the nearer places. So the, as India having a wide varieties of a flora geography, that the pasturage also varies. The beekeeper should have a fairly good knowledge about the geographical area from the point of view of a bee pasturage. So the beekeepers which also know that whether the climatic conditions, the geographical area near there are the which type of a plants are available, which type of floral conditions are available. So we can there start the appearing. So the however honeybees gather nectar, pollen, propolis and the water as their food. The plants that produce the nectar only we have to call there is the bee forage. The pollen is a highly proteinous food for the bees. Like the plants that produce only the pollen are we have to call the pollen plants. The pollen is also being completely independent plant cell, contains the substances which make up living cell and therefore very good bee food. So it provides the bees all their requirements of amino acid, vitamins and minerals. So as we have to discuss, so the larval stages there are the feeding with there are the bee breads. That time the pollen, it is a source of a bee bread, manufacturing the bee bread. So the amount of a pollen collected by the colony depends on the colony's immediate requirements. So there is a correlation between the amount of brood present in a colony, that amount of a pollen collected. So as we have to discuss, in the colony there is a large number of members are available. So the amount of a pollen which are collected by the duties performed by the worker bees, so they have to large amount which is the pollen is collected. So the colony increases the number of bees collecting the pollen when the colony finds reduced amount of a pollen arriving into there are the brood. So the pollen collection is totally depends on there is the how many members or the number of bees which are the present in their colony or a hive. Next one, the second one contain the propolis. It is collected by also the worker bees. The propolis, it is a resinous substance which is gathered mainly from the birds, bark of trees like elder, poplar, horse, chestnut, and wounds of a woody plants. So there are the propolis which are the collected from the resources of the trees. It is used for the sealing up cracks in the hive or nest and reducing the size of their entrance. So actually we should know that propolis, it is helpful to only the sealing of cracks in the hive, and also there is the nest. However, honeybees gather the nectar, pollen, propolis and the water as their food. So we should know that there is the honeybees, those are perform the outdoor duty. They collect, there are the nectar, pollen, propolis and water, which is essential for the colony as like their food. Nectar is the basic raw product of a honey, and it consists of the dissolved sugar, that is in the form of a sucrose, glucose, fructose. So they have to collect from there are the nectar is also the source of sucrose, glucose, and there are the fructose. We have to discuss on there is the bee flora. So out of all the flowering plants in the world, nearly about 87.5% are the pollinated by the animals. So we should know that the pollination, which is very essential for the fruit bearing plants and many other plants. So the flowering plants in the world, it is nearly about 87.5% are pollinated by only the animals. Major of in which there are the insects, the birds, bats, there are the various grazing animals, we have to call them, there are the pollinating agents, but there are the most of the animals which perform there are the pollination. There is 87% they are to be pollinated by the animals. Here we have to discuss on some major bee flora of the plants, floral plants, which are the climatic conditions of the regions of there are the country. Particularly we have to discuss on India. There are the we have to see these are the various regions. These are the peninsular region, we have to call them, there are the situated in between, there are the hilly areas, there are the equitable climate, there are the some common name of these plants here the teach we have to source of a bee flora. There is the Arjuna, cardamom, cashew, coconut, coffee, cotton, drumstick. In that peninsular region there is the Niger, the rubber, soap nut, sunflower. There are the etc. These are the found in this peninsular region. Northeastern hill region, we have to see that there is a moderate climatic conditions. So they have to show that the different type of a bee flora, but some are the common. The northern hill region, they have to climatic condition, it is a severe winter, fleeting summer and harsh monsoon. So there are the bee flora, it is a different. The some are the common like the citrus, the buckwheat, there is the jamun, there are the various type of a temperate fruit trees, there are the tune, soapnut, sesame, robinia. These are the some common trees which are the found. Then the fourth one region, there is the Indo-Gangetic plains, where there are the favorable climatic except the monsoon, because of there are the climatic conditions in the monsoon, it is not suitable for the honeybees. So the there are the some common bee flora like a bear, brassica, cotton, Egyptian clover, pigeon peach, sesame, lychee, sunflower. There are the various source of a bee flora. Next one, here we have to tabulated in the some plants which are the importantly known as a bee flora, and these are the botanical names of that particular plants. These are the found in the different regions in a country. These are the some common names, and they are belongs in each the family. There is the botany, we should know that there is the families which are included. So these some common names which are known in the country. There is the gulmohar, bird's foot, trefoil, there is the tune, sunflower, sesame, wild rose, bear, ohi, khair, bhang, maize, shane. These are the some plants. There are the botanical names, there are the common names, and they are found in each family. There are also the some names. Here we have to observe the common names: cruciferous oil seeds, wild cherry, stone and palm fruits, bramble, barberry, honeysuckle, yellow clover, white clover, Egyptian clover, hirda, jamun, bottle brush, false acacia. So these are the some commonly found plants and their names, which are we have to call them. There is the bee flora, which is very essential to collect. There are the pollen, nectar, and we have to know that it is a very essential for to make a food for there are the honeybees. Next one, here we have to observe why it is essential the bee flora. The pollination is an ecosystem service which is provided by the bees, that is almost always taken for the granted. So the pollination which is taken by the animals, and it is a very important part of there are the ecosystem, because of the honeybees which are only provide the such type of a facilities or the services. In simple terms, bees make more fruits and seeds for us by collecting nectar and pollen than the quantity of honey they make. So in simple, we should know that the pollination, why it is essential, because of it is more the pollination, the fruits and the seeds of a trees and the plants which are the become increasing. So there are the collecting nectar and pollen, the quantity of honey they also make. Hence it is essential to understand that various type of a bee flora and their blooming in given area to conserve the bee colonies. So today's lecture we have to discuss on why the bee flora it is very essential, because of it is a very essential to understand various type of a bee flora and their blooming in a given areas conserve there are the bee colony. So when we have to establish a colony or set up the hive boxes in there at the particular area, we should know that the knowledge about that geographical conditions in that area and the source of a bee flora, it is very essential, and also the climatic conditions we have to also know that. The beekeeper must have the details about the availability and suitability of a bee flora. There are some qualities of a good bee flora where we have to know that the long flowering period, then high density of a flowers per unit of the plants, good quality of nectar with high concentration of sugars, easy accessibility of the nectaries to the honeybees, and the easy in collection of a nectar, availability of a flora in the close vicinity of the apiary. So there are some good quality bee flora, it is essential, and they have to show that the such type of a criteria. Next one here, this video which is prepared by the some references which I have to collect. There is one is the practical manual beekeeping, there is a Springhouse publication, one is another one is the website iritokos.com and eGyanKosh, where they have to collecting the references, and we have to prepare this video. So thank you. So today's lecture we have to discuss on the what is the bee flora, how it is essential in India. There are the various regions and which type of plants are observed. There are the common names and how it is essential for there are the bee colony and the apiary sites. So